Hello, it's Sierra with WTI. I have to rave about these probiotic salmon jerky dog treats. My favorite furry friend, Nevada, loves these. They're packed with probiotics. The main ingredient is salmon, real salmon. Nevada goes nuts for the flavor, and I know she's getting a high quality treat in every bite. Let me tell you about convenience too. These jerky treats are perfect for on the go. Whether you're on a hike or running errands, I toss a few in my pocket or my bag, and then Nevada's got a tasty snack wherever we need it. Plus, it's so easy to break into smaller pieces, which is perfect for training. She's been learning some new tricks recently, and these have been great motivation. And Nevada's coat has never looked fluffier. It's all them omega-3s in there that add such a nice shine to her fur. So if you're looking for a treat that your pup will not only find tasty, but that are also super convenient, then these treats are for you. And that is just my point of view.